OnePlus is gearing up to unveil its latest addition to the flagship lineup, the OnePlus 13S, on June 5, 2025. Positioned between the OnePlus 13R and the premium OnePlus 13, the 13S aims to offer flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. Now, a big leak coming in about the price of the OnePlus 13S. But before we dive in, please like and subscribe our channel for early leaks. Now, let's take a look at what OnePlus 13S is going to offer first. The OnePlus 13S is expected to feature a 6.32-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It may come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The device is equipped with a substantial 6,260 mAh battery, supporting 90-watt fast charging. Camera capabilities include a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. All these specs are being fit into a compact size. But wait, there's still one more thing moment. The OnePlus 13S brings something new to the table, a customizable plus key that replaces the iconic alert slider. This button isn't just for switching between ring, silent, and vibrate modes anymore. Instead, it's designed to give users the power to assign specific functions based on their preferences. Whether you want to launch the camera, activate Do Not Disturb, or trigger a voice assistant, the plus key is all about personalization. It's a thoughtful shift that mirrors action button found in the iPhone 15 and 16 series. And it shows how OnePlus is not just following trends, but adapting them in its own style. Now coming to the pricing, the OnePlus 13S is expected to be priced around 50,000 rupees in India, $649 in the United States, and 2,100 dirhams in the UAE, positioning it in the upper mid-range category with flagship-level features. This pricing strategy places the OnePlus 13S between the OnePlus 13R, priced at 42,999 rupees, and the flagship OnePlus 13, which starts at 69,999 rupees. Additionally, the phone is expected to be available in 3 color options: black velvet, pink satin, and green silk. This device was recently launched in China under the name OnePlus 13T, and surprisingly, it shattered all previous sales records. Within just 2 hours of its release, it had already met the entire day's sales target, a clear indication of how well OnePlus understood the market and delivered precisely what users were looking for. It wasn't just about specs. It was about delivering power, performance, and premium features in a compact and user-friendly form factor. The upcoming OnePlus 13S is essentially the global rebranded version of the OnePlus 13T, meaning users can expect the same level of excellence and performance that impressed buyers in China. With its blend of high-end specifications and a more accessible price point, the OnePlus 13S aims to offer a compelling option for consumers seeking flagship features without the flagship price tag. With many major flagship smartphones lined up for launch in the coming months, it will be interesting to see how the OnePlus 13S performs in both the Indian and global markets. But one thing is clear: OnePlus has positioned this device smartly. And if the Chinese market is any indication, the OnePlus 13S could very well become one of the standout releases of the year. What are your thoughts about the OnePlus 13S? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.